Hello everyone, welcome back again in my channel. After a long time, I'm again back in my Python programming journey because I have the more abstract host in my in my journey. That reasons I just to break my programming journey in my channel. So I just will stop all the videos to upload it in my channel. So I'm sorry for that. So that I'm again back in my channels. So from today I want to start from the day ones. Again I want to restart the Python programming language from the basic to advanced. It's more suitable for the beginners. If you are guys beginners, if you want to start from the starting to learn the Python programming language from basic to advanced, it's more suitable for you, okay? Because the Python programming language is more general purpose programming language. Is more suitable for the game developer, web developer, and data analyst, data science. So that reasonsly it's very important needed to learn the of it is the more importance to learn the okay yeah, right now, in this situation. So that reasonsly I'm going to restart again from the day one my Python programming language from my channels from today. Okay, let's get started today my video. Let's go on the screen. Okay, I'm already create this Python folders in this my device. Okay, this might already create the files name is day1.py because I want to start from the day one my Python programming language from the starting to basic to advanced. I just to create the day1.py. Here you can see. So at the first, what is the Python programming language? So I want to explain about the Python at the first. Okay, Python programming language is the high level PROGRA and programming LNGAGE. Okay, and then it is the dynamic programming language, LNGAGE. Okay, and then Python is general purpose PROGRA programming. Okay, and it is the open and free programming, open source like this. Okay, not just only open, SOURC, open source and free programming language because Python source like Python programming language without pay, without any paying, okay, without any fee, we just to install on our device. That reasons it's called the open source and free. We can easily download, easily installed on our device, and we can easily access all the services. We can easily run on our device. So that reasons it's called the open source and free programming language. Okay, Python. So high level programming language. Why Python programming language called so high level programming language? Because Python programming language having to run so easy to understand, easy to solve solving the syntax, all the syntax error, easy to solve, easy to understand. That reasonsly high level programming language called the Python. Okay, dynamic programming language. Why is called the dynamic programming language Python? It's called the Python. The Python is called the dynamic programming language because here this Python programming language have not to So not to declare any integers values within the any variables. It as the runtime, it as to run all the data that called it as the runtime to programming language. That's called, it's called Python is called the dynamic programming language. Why it is called the general purpose programming language? General purpose programming language, so why called Python? Python is general purpose programming language because it is used in multiple field like gaming developer, web developer, and web developing and game developing, and so any data analyst, data scientist use this Python programming, Python programming language. That recently it's called the general purpose programming language. Okay, this is all over the introductions and so definitions of the Python. And as the very simple, if you are not to understand about the if you not understands definitions about the Python, so you are guys if you okay, you are guys to learn from this my video. Okay, I just want to point out, I just want to I just want to taste the from simple from the simple, the every code, each and every word. Okay, so I just want to give the 100% to understand any code, any syntax from the simple word. Okay, so if you are guys beginners, you can achieve you can grab this opportunity from this my video. Okay, again I'm again back in here. I just want to simple one project, a simple one program I want to run in here, because we are so selecting we are in our programming field, we are choosing the Python programming language. So why it is the more suitable, and why it is the high level, why general purpose, why dynamic. So that reasons I want to clarify to run the one programs right now. Okay, so for example, Python programming language is very easiest programming language. That recently I want to run a simple program. So here have the more easiest to run the program than other programming language. So that recently I just to take a one variables and a name. Okay, and so input is the one functions, and so here have just to type the e and enter your name. Here have just to enter the input as a functions. This functions is to defined is to so request from the users. Okay, enter your name. This all the functions, all the functions and stacks is stored in this variables, like name variables stored in within this the name variables. And so right now I want to print name. Okay, I want to print name, this name variables here now. So you can see Python 3 they want that py. Okay, enter your name. I think Maya. You can see Maya, not name. Enter your name. Okay, sorry, I went back and again. Maya, you can see here have just to print these three variables, name variables, to print in here within these print functions, not to here so separate it, not to separate by the inverted comma, because here have just to print here have just to use the functions. Functions is just to tag up variables without inverted comma. Okay, And so Python 3 day1.py to run this program. This is very simple program. That reasonly Python is the most easiest and easy to understandable programming language that called Python programming language. Okay, I want to like n equals to okay, hurry, like hurry, and so print hurry 1 control s print this variable n, and this okay, here have to store the n variables within the stored this hurry data, like hurry data. Here have to this hurry data to make the 4 letter like SARR 4 letters to make this data is stored within this and variables. So I want to this hurry data to display in the reversed form. I want to display in reverse form, so print on my screen in the reverse form. So I just to so print this variables hurry, that's data in here, and so slicing, this called the slicing method. Okay, -1, I want to print this hurry name and reverse wise to print on my screen. You can see this result is printed in here IRAS. Okay, this called the most easiest programming language. Okay, here have not to feelings too difficult to run your program, so that reasons Python is the more easiest and easy to understandable programming language. Okay, my friends, today is the it is the more enough for the beginners, so that reasons today's my videos is I want to end from because again the next day we all be so learn the data types and so variables so rules and other things also be, and so palindrome, how to display the project in our using the Python programming language. This all the kind of project also be we will be to run on our project on upcoming our days. Okay, all of my friend, bye bye, thank you so much, thank you.